Okay, guys, so this was my first attempt at making this pumpkin spice. Now it tastes more like coffee than it tastes like pumpkin spice latte. So now I gotta revamp. So instead of doing 6 cups of coffee, I will lessen the coffee, and then we'll have that perfect pumpkin spice latte. But overall, so it's not bad. It just tastes a little more like coffee than my pumpkin spice. So follow all the steps before ahead of, in the video, and just be careful with adding the coffee. Measure your coffee to your liking and how much dates you want. You don't have to use dates. You can use whatever sweetener you want. You don't always have to go and buy that not even pumpkin coffee at Starbucks. It's flavoring. But here we go. This is good. Guys, I did it today. Now it came out perfect. The pumpkin spice latte. Wonderful. DIY your own pumpkin spice latte, guys. I'll post the recipe in the link. Buy coffee. Now when you put 2 cups of coffee, you put according to your preference. And I added like probably 2 more. Matter of fact, I used 4 tablespoons of pumpkin. That 2 tablespoons, that didn't get the richness. And my pumpkin spice. And I use, today I used dates. Oh, I'm not dates. I didn't use dates. I used brown sugar only because I didn't feel like blending the dates. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make date sugar, or get the date sugar and use that. But that's a wonderful substitute because it tastes delicious with the dates, and that's more. It has more fiber and more delicious for the body. But today I just use brown sugar, which is fine. But it tastes so good, guys. Such a difference. My goodness, love it. Pumpkin season is back, guys. Here's my old personal pumpkin latte. There's no coffee in this. Without the coffee, it is delicious, guys. Pumpkin spice latte. Make my own DIY. This is good, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the bell for notification. Till next time with Jen, just being creative. Bye-bye.